Today I'm going to show you why the Kubota BX Series is the best-selling subcompact tractor on the market. First built 25 years ago, the BX Series not only pioneered and popularised the subcompact tractor market, but has dominated the category ever since through world-class quality and innovation. This makes these tractors the most versatile, intuitive and easy to operate compact tractors you can get your hands on. Now, whether you need to mow lawns, slash paddocks, dig some trenches, do some heavy lifting, or just keep things nice and neat and tidy, there's very little these pint-sized powerhouses can't do. Each model in the BX Series is built from the ground up by Kubota, including their engines, which are recognised worldwide for their performance and reliability. Its single foot pedal gives you complete control over speed and direction. It's four-wheel drive too, so you can get excellent traction in all conditions. The seat slides back and forth so you can find the perfect position. It has a spacious foot platform, colour-coded control levers, a modern digital meter cluster that tells you what engine RPM you need for your job. Whether you're mowing, doing implement work, using the front end loader or digging with the backhoe, the BX even has a handy storage box with built-in phone charge port, all designed to keep you comfortable while getting the job done. When it comes to attachments, the front end loader can be attached and detached without having to even get off the tractor. How easy is that? This lets you take off the front loader effortlessly whenever you want to mow, making the tractor far more manoeuvrable. It's just as quick as the backhoe, which uses locking levers instead of pins to connect. Attaching the mower deck is made easy too. Just drive over, attach, and then you're done. There are a whole host of implements in the Kubota Land Pride range that are performance matched to Kubota tractors. So whether you're after a post hole digger, a grader blade, a slasher, or anything else you need to get the job done, you're guaranteed to find a perfect fit. There are 4 models in the BX range to choose from. The BX 1880 is the entry-level model at 18 horsepower. From there, you step up to the BX 2380 and the BX 2680. These offer a bit more grunt with 23 and 26 horsepower respectively. Then we have the BX 23S model, the most versatile subcompact tractor out there, as it comes standard with the front end loader and backhoe attachment, with the option of adding a mower deck. And there you go, a quick look at the Kubota's all-round high-performing subcompact BX tractors. I hope it's helped you find out which machine will be right for you. Have a chat with your local Kubota dealer to find out more.